Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative smartphones on the market, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This foldable is sleek, powerful, and loaded with features, but is it worth the premium price? Let's find out. First up, the display. When folded, you get a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED outer screen, but the real magic happens when you unfold it to reveal the massive 7.6-inch display. It's perfect for multitasking, watching content, and even gaming. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth, whether you're scrolling or playing games. One of the biggest selling points of the Fold 5 is its ability to run multiple apps at once, thanks to Samsung's multi-window mode. You can easily split the screen and use up to 3 apps simultaneously. It's a productivity powerhouse for anyone on the go. Check out the affiliate link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. Now, let's talk about the hinge. Samsung has made the Fold 5 thinner and lighter than its predecessor, and the new hinge feels much more robust. They've improved durability while keeping that satisfying folding action intact. When it comes to cameras, the Fold 5 features a triple camera system with a 50 main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto. The cameras perform surprisingly well, especially considering this isn't a camera-first phone. Daylight shots are crisp, and the night mode also delivers solid results. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip with 12GB RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones out there. Gaming performance is excellent, and the large screen makes everything more immersive. You'll also get 512GB of storage, which is great for all your media, apps, and games. Battery life is solid too, with a 400 mAh battery.
There's actually also even a whole app in the Samsung Galaxy Store called GoodLock with an extension called Multistar. And basically, if you have both of these, it lets you add a launcher to the outside screen with literally any app on your phone. And so you can go through and experiment and find all kinds of weird stuff that kind of works here.
With a starting price of around $1,800, it's definitely an investment.
If you want to.
If you're ready to take your smartphone
favorite Reddit app before it disappears, or you can move around Spotify playlists, and these are all kind of not bad. There are also plenty of apps that are an absolute nightmare that look ridiculous in a square, so I wouldn't recommend that.